Okay, Jean, I'm walking up the stairs to my loft, and there's already some Christmas decorations. We turn the corner. Up here we have a cuckoo clock and a window. Oh, hope you're not too busy walking up the next flight. Unfortunately, Polly's on my shoulder and he's talking. Here's a bathroom with all the lady stuff. I've got pictures on the wall. And Helen, you remember Helen, she gave me those cute little things that are right there. That's a picture of my bathroom wall. These are the towels we never use. And here is the bedroom that the girls used to have. And here are my Martha Stewart, Polly. He's so happy. What can I say? And here is a drawer full of Christmas stamps. And I have 4 of those. Then I have big drawers that don't even have anything in them. Here's more stamps. Here's a pile of paper that I'll never put away. And here is my grand caliber. And over here is my shelves. Papers, 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 more papers, some stamps. And as we're walking in here, here's my computer. Oh, I should have cleaned my desk off. And Polly. And here is some punches. See the punches? Here's punches. Embossing powders, markers. Down here I have, these are all my dies for my spellbinder. There's 2 rows of these. See the second row down there? And then down here are drawers full in themes, like this is a drawer full of flowers. And see all the different themes there? Butterflies, Christmas, wreaths. Now I'll show you my work table, which is a total disaster. But it's Christmas and I'm making Christmas cards. So here's some Christmas cards that I'm making. And because I'm so busy right now with making Christmas cards, I brought up a card table so I have extra workspace. Polly. Here's more paper. There's some stamps, more paper, more paper. Here's some stamps. And you can see in that bedroom where my Martha Stewart things are, and across the room where my stamps are. And I can look over the railing. Oh, I should have turned the light on. And there's my living room. And Spencer's down there, and there's my new TV, and there's Polly's cage, and I gotta get him off my shoulder. I'll start again.